Hi everybody, my name is John Watt and I am the founder and CEO of Stout Tanks and Kettles. And today we're going to talk about something in our warehouse that's packed up for me in this box. I have no clue what's inside here. Let's open it up and we'll see what's going on. In the box here we have something that's fairly heavy. These are cool. This is a diaphragm valve. This is a valve that is used not only for on and off, but it's really mainly used for precise flow control. You can see the flow here, the flow comes in, and there's simply a diaphragm valve in there that is pushed up and down as you turn this valve. There's no corners or edges in there to catch and collect residue. So it's super sanitary. These are great for controlling flow. You use it on a heat exchanger, for example, and control the flow of work coming out and or cold water coming in, or anywhere where you need flow control out of a mash tun into a mash tun, and all kinds of processes in the food and beverage industries. Be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and learn about other interesting products that we carry.